This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Like this. Clap. 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 Stop. Together stop करना है. Clap. 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 Stop. 1 2 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now stop it.
Respected sir and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something. My topic is time. Time is very important thing in our life. Time is very valuable thing in the universe, and time is not wait for anyone. And someone is like or not, time no one can stop the time. And if you have time, you can do so many activities like you can learn anything, you can do anything, you can exercise for your good health, and you can spend the time with your family, with your friends. And
Good morning, my panelists. We are going to debate classes. The topic money versus time. My favorite is time. So first of all, I would like to pay thanks my honorable sir who has given me a golden chance to say something like that. Time is the most precious part of our life because you have not time. So how can you celebrate any function, any program without time? If you have money, but how can you celebrate? How can you celebrate without time?
Beggar have lots of time, but they are begging. Why? Because of money sake. You know.
Ma'am, you can say that beggar have much more time, but they are not earn money. But beggar is not a rich man because they cannot utilize our time.
Ma'am, please you.
So how can you? How can
Ma'am,
they?
please you tell that. Please you tell ma'am about that. How can anyone utilize their time properly?
The think about it. First of all, they people think and how can utilize our time. Then people go will any places, any work.
No, ma'am. I'm talking about that beggar who is begging only for money's sake. And
Because they people are not needed a money, ma'am.
what?
He's enjoy. He's
Means
celebrate
you-
and he's fulfill in our life because they have not utilized our
Ma'am,
time.
you tell me how utilize our time in proper way.
if you spend your money for good thing, for good work, so your future, I told that if you use your time for good thing, for good work, so your future will be bright. And if you waste your time for useless things, so your future will be dark. And the beggar do not use his time for good things. That's why he is begging.
Ma'am, how you can say that on the basis of that he is not educated? But you tell me one thing. For education, money is also required.
If you have a lot of money and you admitted a higher school, how if you don't have time, how can you study in the school? If you don't have time, how can you go on the time, and how can you study, how can you give the exam, how can you pass?
Ma'am, firstly you tell me that there is the first requirement money, because if you don't register yourself in that college, how you can go there for study?
My father is spending time for earn money. My my father is spending time to earn money, and after that they admitted me in the higher school, and after that I study.
As
My father is spending time, and after that he earn money.
As you told, ma'am, money is not important than
If-
time. Then why your father is wasting time for your doing job and hard work for earning money?
Be- I accept your point, but time, if they don't spend time, how can he earn money? You can
Ma'am, how
you
is
can
wasting her time because
For-
on the for money's sake? because money is not important at your point of view.
If you don't have time, how can you earn money? Tell me this answer.
Ma'am, but you say that money is not important, then why you need for earn money? Money is not important for you.
If time
आई वांट से समथिंग. हर रोज सूरज ढल जाया करते हैं. हर रोज सूरज ढल जाया करते हैं. वक्त के साथ करीबी भी बदल जाया करते हैं. First of all, I wanna give you the answer of the question that you asked. That if somebody don't have time and he have money, so how he will earn further? First of all, I wanna tell you the word that is investment. Lot of businessmen find investors, find the good companies, and they hire they see the growth rate of the company, and then they invest. They don't have to spend the time for the company, or they don't have to work for the company. They just invest their money. They just invest their money in that company, and with the profit of the company, they gain the money. They gain the profit. So first of all, I gave the answer that if somebody don't have time, they have money, so they can invest the money in the companies, in the profitable companies. So
So he earn money. He have not get time. He cannot earn money.
now,
Ratan Tata is Mukesh Ambani's example. He gives us more time on our business, so he earn money.
now,
He
Anna,
not give much time. He cannot earn money.
now I wanna give you one more thing, one more example. That is, if you saw a news before some days, एक न्यूज़ आई थी. In that news, you will see that a student, a UPSC aspirant, studied 11 years to crack UPSC. So it is clear that he spent lot of time to prepare for UPSC, but he could not clear the exam. So I want to tell you that what he is doing right now, he is doing the preparation for the Group D examination. So I want to tell you that he did not earn a single rupee, and he spent his lot of his money, lot of his precious time, but he did not get anything. And nowadays he is preparing for Group D examination, for earning money for to live his life further. I want to tell you that money is very important. That's why I gave you the example, because if you see, he can't do anything right now on the basis of what he spent it. He spent a lot of time, but what that time is giving right now? Nothing. So that's why I want to tell you that time is a good investment for the money. So I want to tell you that it is a good gift of God, very best thing is. But I want to tell you that with time you have to spend money. That's why money is very important for living a life.
Sir, first of all, I answer the sir. Sir, you can say that every IS aspirant use a lot of time. That's at 11 o'clock, 11 hours. Okay, but they will not use
Years. 11 years. He
11
took
years.
11 years.
Okay, 11 years.
For study.
But they will not use a right way, because they will have a much more time the clear the UPSC exams.
Ma'am,
They will have a lot of money, but they will not right way or the time utilize the right way. That's why the people will be not clear.
ma'am, now I have three questions, and I will give you on answers of all that three questions.
Okay.
First of all, ma'am asked that गलत company में investment से पैसा डूब जाता है. So first
Yes,
of all,
sir.
I told that in profitable company you can invest.
Okay.
Second thing is the second sentence you told that इसीलिए गलत जगह समय भी नहीं लगाना चाहिए. The sentence was that such like that. So I want to tell you that is it good that lots of, as you know, lots of students wants to prepare for UPSC. So it doesn't mean that they are wasting their time. It is not it is not a way to waste their time. It is a use.
Sir,
It is a good way.
they are wasting our time, sir.
And second, wait, let me complete first. And last question that you asked, that lot of students who is not doing preparation in the right way, they are not getting selection. I want to tell you a data that is 11 lakh students every year prepare for UPSC, and only the seats are approximately 1000.
1000.
So if everybody will even prepare in a right direction, everybody will not get selected. So
But
what I
sir,
want to tell you
sir,
that wait.
you can say every aspirant interview, and you have realized that they people will be sir, will be utilize the time. One student hour 40 hours spend they will study, then will be succeed.
Actually, I'm not getting your point, but I wanna tell you that every year, in simple words, I wanna tell you that every year, lot of students appear the examination, but they, even if everybody do the preparation in the right direction, even then the every person, the every aspirant will not get selected. Second thing is, I wanna tell you that.
As you say that, as you talk about the investment, and so first of all I want to tell you that there is the totally role of the in the investment, there is the totally role of the time. If you will not spend their time, because in the investment you know that there was a need of the time. As much your time will be increased, your money will be increased on the basis of the time. If there was not spent of the time, your money will be not increased day by day. And the second thing is that you tell about the investment. As you say that you should invest in the good companies. So I know that you should invest in the good companies. But everybody they if they not do not know about the companies, and you know that in the investment there are some much chances of the losses. And if you will invest your money, then there is the chance of the losses. But if you will invest your time at anywhere in the study or doing any work or anywhere, then you will learn something, because you know that experience is not going anywhere. If whenever you spend your time anywhere, then that will not go anywhere. There was not a percent of the chance that you have to lose something at that there at that place.
Strength
the-
of money. Can you start a new business without having money?
If you don't have time, how can you start your own business?
Ma'am, time is same for everyone.
So
And how you
it-
can say that I
how
don't have
you know
time?
that how you know that how should you utilize your time?
Without money, how can you utilize your time?
If you have a lot of money and you don't know how to matlab, how to spend our time, how to if you have a lot of money and you don't have time, so
How can you say I don't have time? Because
Because
all
you are
people have
busy.
same time. You have
And-
24 hours, I have 24 hours, and I have money. I can utilize my time, and I have money. Then I can save my lots of time.
okay.
Without investment their time, they cannot open they
But
cannot
first want
do any
is money.
business.
First need is money. First
You
of
are-
all, you
I
want
know
have
there-
money,
there is
then
a-
you start any business, sir.
I
If
know
you
there is
don't
a-
have money, you can't start any business, sir. Without money, you start any
If you
business.
don't spend your time in this industry, you don't know how to spend how to
How can
start
you
a
say that,
business.
ma'am,
And if you have a lot of money and you start a new business, so you don't know how to control the business, you can lost your money.
How can you?
How can you say I have no time? First of all, please.
give me
First
a-
of all,
please
you
give me a
say.
best example.
First of all,
You
you
have-
say that you say that I have no time. How can you say that I have no time? Because you know very well all people have same time. So how can you say that? Please
Because-
give me any example, sir.
Because I
Yes.
have more time, so I utilize my time in best way and best good things. So I earn money.
I
Because
accept-
I have not utilized my time in a good way and other way. I can utilize my time in bad way.
Okay,
I
sir,
cannot
but-
earn money.
but
So
if you
time is
want
the-
earn
time is the
money,
most
if you
important
want
thing
earn
for
money-
our life. Money is not important. I have more time.
How
I
can you
earn
say that money is
I
not
have-
important, sir?
I have
Please
more
give
time.
me any example.
I have more time than I can earn money, because
You
every social worker has not more money. He's more time. So spending your time in a health of poor.
For money, na sir.
Because
For
you
money.
see, I
For
not have-
money.
not money.
You accepted
All
money is
social- all
first.
social- all
Money is
social
first.
worker is not a lot of money.
Money is first
All
priority,
social
sir.
worker have not lots of money. He helps the poor. These things of helps of poor.
I
Then,
accepted
because,
your
because
point,
he have
sir,
more time,
but you can-
because he have more time, so he spend of helps other poor person.
As you told,
How,
but
first of all, you say give me answer her question. You have no more time. You have no more time. How can you earn money? Because first of all, give me a first example and answer, and then say something.
again, please repeat your question. I don't understand.
She asked, oh, you have no more time. How can you earn money? Please give me a best example
You
for
invest
our
your
money.
time for money's sake. Then how you can told that?
Because you have earned money, because you have spend your time, so you can earn money. You have no time, you cannot spend your time, you cannot earn money.
How you can? Why you again and again saying I have no time? Because time is same for everyone.
Please
I
give me-
also
please
have
give me a
24
best
hours and
example.
you also have
Please give me a
24
best example
hours.
to utilize your time and earn your money. Please give me a best example. I cannot, we cannot understand. More money is the most important things of our life.
You
Sir, without time, without money, what is use of time? Okay,
Give me some example. All social worker have not lots of more money.
sir, you
Do
can
not want
do
money.
any work for money sake, sir.
No, all social workers are not do sake for our money. He's sake of our help poor.
So
Every people is not wants money. Every please.
sir, your question was, if you don't have time, so you can't earn money. How can anybody earn money? First of all, my question is, why you are coming here? Why you are coming here? You want a job. You want a job to earn money. So it means you are accepting that money is very important because you are spending, you are investing your precious time. This is lots of people drive Mercedes, Ferrari like cars at your age, at my age. Why we are spending our precious time, our childhood, till until we get a job, because we think that money is very important. That's why we are working so hard to get a job.
No, I'm not losing. I give an answer of your questions. I have more time, so I can spend the time for my educations, and then I earn money. Then I get
Sir,
job.
for education, even
then I get job.
Even
Because
for-
I have
wait,
not
wait.
utilized my
Even-
time. in a best
even
way.
for education.
I cannot understand. I have not time. I have not utilized from my time in this institute.
Okay.
Then I have not get
I
a
got
job.
your point.
Then
I
I
got-
have not get a job.
I got to
Because
I got
I spend my time in best way.
Okay.
So I can I find a job.
I got your point. You talk about if you don't have time, you will not get good education and you will not get a good job. First of
Right.
all, I wanna tell you that if you want to good education, you should go to abroad for your study. And for going abroad, you will need lots of money to stay there, to stay abroad, and to study abroad. First of all, second thing
it
is
is not it is
even
not important for go to abroad.
You are not listening me.
I earn money. I have my education is complete in our country because our government are scholarship process
Sir,
for education.
wait.
I spend time in my good way, good things, so I can get scholarship. So I want my education is completed.
Okay. So
All countries are government scholarships. It is not more money.
okay.
He says that why are you coming? Why he is coming here? So I make him understand that he is coming here for spend their time, for utilize their time, and then after he will do the business for the money sake. And then after, if suppose that if he has a lot of money, then what? And
Okay.
Panelists did not give answer. You are not give a best example on what are more important of our life.
Okay. I will give
Why? How can you say that? I cannot agree.
My-
I cannot agree on this
from
point.
wait. From my you studied with the scholarships and lots of things. He told that you are spending your time to earn money. So first of all, my simple psychology is, it shows that you are working hard, so hard to get a job, to earn money. It shows that it is very important. First of all, it's clear, and that's the completed. Now, your question was, what's the importance of money? Now, I wanna ask you a question, simple question. Can you marry with Radhika Merchant?
Why I need to marry the Radhika Merchant? I not you.
Can
Because you say that you
you can't afford? That is the right answer.
it is not my need. It is not my need.
Wait. There is a saying in
It is
Hindi.
not my need.
There is a saying in Hindi. अंगूर नहीं मिले तो खट्टे हैं.
और समय समय की बात है, समय पे हर लोग बदल जाया करते हैं. समय समय की बात है, समय पे हर लोग बदल जाया करते हैं. अगर आपने अपने समय को नहीं बदला तो समय ने आपको बदल दिया है.
So
You
But-
say that.
yeah.
You say that. You have.
Can you tell me without money how can arrange that function?
But they will much more time then money is come our Ambani family.
First of all, I wanna tell you that. First of all, he earned lot of money. Then he spent the money to celebrate his marriage ceremony. And second thing is, her dress worth in crores. So everybody can't afford even, and they think that.
But you know that, sir, Mukesh Ambani take up much more hours than they will earn money, sir. You don't know. Sir, please give me one answer. How much time afford Mukesh Ambani in 1 hours?
Wait.
Do you know that, sir?
First of all, I wanna tell you that if you talk about.
He's working 80 hours, sir. He's working 80 hours per day. He's working, sir. Then, sir, he's working. Then will be Ambani. Then we are called their Ambani, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
They will not use it.
I got your question.
Okay.
Now, the answer is, first of all, if you're talking about the field of business, so the world's richest person is right now Elon Musk, and he worked 18 to 20 hours a day. But for what?
Earning. Yet
For
earning.
for what?
No,
For
18 hours earning. yet
18
earning.
hours a day, 18 to 20 hours a day.
A day timing.
And I want to tell you that the data you learned that Mukesh Ambani worked 18 hours, that is wrong. He worked just 12 to 14 hours a day. And second thing is,
but
Elon Musk.
14 hours is a much time.
You are
much
not
more
listening
time,
my
sir.
point. You are not listening my point. I'm giving you the answer now. So Elon Musk work 18 hours to 20 hours first of all, and he is the world's richest person. Second thing is, he is not working and he is not investing his time. He is spending and investing his money. First of all, I wanna give you the truth. I wanna tell you the truth. That is, it is his passion, because he wants to make the world futuristic. He is making right now a chip who can make a normal person to a robot. So he's working on that. He is passionate to his work. That's why. Wait,
Because
wait.
he
Sir,
cannot.
why you are
not
interrupting
much-
in
much
middle of?
time.
You are.
They will hire a robot, sir.
Why you are interrupting?
Because firstly, they will understand time is much better our life, because
Now.
24 hours is not a much more time
Okay.
in our generation.
Now, I want to give you now, as your question is about. As your question was. As your question was about Elon Musk. So I was about to say second point that when you interrupted me.